prick. Alright, just hold here, just hold here. Just hold. Alright, and walks off us. Marlock
Stories chasing Kieran.
Come under the south, get away from the north.
Separate split, one went northwest.
Yep. I'll go, come over to the west here, come over to the west. Hey, come north. D-Takes on my southwest.
You can sandwich separate, FSO.
Okay, come over to the southwest. They're mounting up in the northwest, okay? Come over to the west here. Yo, D-Takes on my northeast, okay? Okay? Come over to the southwest. Walk in southwest. Yo, walk southwest. Come over to the southwest. Yo, mount. Fuck it. Mount. Come to the southwest. Spread it out even when you're mounted whenever you can, okay? Might be super sad. And this one here. This one on the northwest. This one. Yo, tank CC them. Tank CC them through the choke. Tank CC them. We're looking directly at northwest in 3, 2, 1. Through the choke on the northwest. Everything on this. Beautiful. Come back. Ready for the FSOs. Come back, boys. Come back. You need to get off of the bodies. They're gonna engage. They're engaging. Be careful. Heals on the northwest. Yo, get off of the bodies, morons. Jesus. Yo, spread. Come over to the southeast. Yo, spread. Yo, watch out on the northeast. Yo, come over to the southeast. Spread. Yo, walk it, boys. Walk it. Yo, walk it. Yo, walk it. Yo, come over to the south. Walk it now. Walk in northwest. Walk it. We're looking deepest fuck against the wall on the northwest here in 5. Wait, on the west in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the west on the fucking choke. Oh my god, I get zoned out. What the fuck? Yo, kill everything on the gate. Not on Martlock. Alright, now we're gonna fight Martlock. Yo. Just go ahead. Go walk southeast. Yo, get away from Martlock. Just get away from Martlock. Don't engage on Martlock. Just be on the southeast. Yo, come over to the southeast here. Yo, spread. Watch out for the southeast. This one. Spread. Yo, spread, boys. Yo, walk southeast.
Bomb squad. Hello.
Yeah.
In
Yo, spread. Get ready for the FSOs. Get ready your pop potions. Spread. Where are they? On the southeast? Yo, spread. Come over to the southeast. Alright, yo, come on to northwest. Ignore this. Yo, come back northwest. Come on to northwest. Yo, mount. Come over to the southeast. We need to hurry up. We're gonna fight, Martlock here real quick. Come over to the east here. Yeah, this one, out in here, and just spread. Walk into the northeast. Walk into the northeast. Come on to the northeast in 3, 2, 1. Everything on this guy. Wait. Just wait. First clear call, and go. Everything on him. Alright, come over to the north, boys. Yo, spread, boys. Spread it out in this area. D-Takes on my back line, okay? Spread, boys. Spread. Yo, second party on me. You're looking right on the stairs here, on the western stair here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just second party only on the stairs. And come back, boys. Just come back. I'm ready for the FSOs. Get away from the north. Come back, boys. Come back, boys. Yo, walk it a little bit. Yo, actually, just spread. Come back. Come back, boys. Just hold here. Come back. Just hold.
Remain at LT.
Okay. Yo, just come back. I don't know why the fuck half my Zerg is northwest, you fucking morons. Jesus Christ. Yo, we have a large Carlion blob behind us. Yo, come over to the eastern. Come over to the southeast. Yeah, I do think so as well. Yo, come over to the north. This is a big ass Carlion blob. Yo, come over to the north. D-Takes on my east, okay? Yo, spread. Come back. Heals on the north. Yo, walk it. Pop potions and walk in. Walk in, boys. Cleanses on that. Walk in. We're like a duck in for 3, 2, 1. Everything on the fucking north. Everything on that. Fucking run them over. Q's and levers on him. Finish him off. And come back now. Come back. Stop. Yo, let him go. Stop chasing. We have a fucking big ass fucking Zerg on the south.
They're holding.
Yeah, come south. Yo, come over to the southeast. You need to come to me, boys. Come to me.